This is John Pinelli, financial representative, talking to you today about the common misconceptions of HIPAA. HIPAA, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, prevents hospitals and medical providers from transferring your information or releasing your medical information to employers, to solicitors, etc. It basically protects your personal medical information. So oftentimes the government just doesn't have the time or the resources to enforce a lot of the HIPAA regulations. And if they were to, this would cause an increased burden on the taxpayer because they would essentially have to pay for these services by the government. So unless it's a major screw up by the hospital or care provider, oftentimes the government won't step in and do anything. Now, if the hospital's going around and releasing medical records left and right, selling information to insurance companies, etc., then the government's going to come in and start to impose some fines. Now, fines can be as little as $50,000 with 1 year of prison up to $250,000 with 5 years in prison. And this just depends on the level of negligence that was done by the hospital. So if the hospital just accidentally lost your records, then it probably wouldn't be as bad as if they were purposefully selling them to individual insurance companies or selling them to companies who are considering hiring you, because those companies would be responsible for health insurance if they provided it for you. And they might have the potential to exclude you from that health insurance if they had access to all this information. So if the act was purposeful and extremely negligent, the fines can be a lot more.